Euro bottom of the pile, dollars all the sparkle. So I want to be short here. So a retracement back to the structure here at 50%, just between 50 and 60%. That's the area. Once it tests that level, the RS stays bearish like that. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 14 November 2024. Today I will be trading long on the US dollar, the Aussie and the CAD, and short on the pound, the Swiss and then the euro. If you look at the dollar index just after the gap up yesterday, just fly up the page. Even the news came in on par, exactly what was expected, and the dollar's shot up like nothing before. It's like if it's looking for a reason to go up, and if it can't find a reason, it still goes up. But yeah, I know there will be some time or other we will get a retracement. We should get a retracement on a stage, but for now it's flying, soon to be testing this level. And once it tested this level, well, that was a very long period high. I think it was a three-year high. So we'll see. Then we're in clear territory to retest those things. Although I highly doubt we will see a dollar that's so strong that will go beyond those levels. I might be wrong. But for interest rates to keep coming down with the US, we're going to eventually need the weaker dollar. But for now, it's flying, it's testing. I stay dollar bullish. If you look at my intraday indicator here, it just stays bullish, and I will stay bullish, even against the CAD. If you go have a look at the US CAD chart, it's even flying up the page against the CAD. So the second strongest currency can't even hold on to the dollar. So the strength is huge. I'll stay dollar bullish, and that's it. On gold, if you look at the daily charts, it's paying the price on the strong dollar, definitely. Short-term trend is turned bearish, so I won't be taking any longs here. So cutting through all the levels, there's definitely nothing here we can do. On the long side, on the 4-hour charts, the last directional swing, the retracement back to 50-61%. Yeah, for the people that short gold and commodities and precious metals, that is the level. Personally, I don't do that, but you can see clearly between 50 and 60, structure coming in there on a strong dollar. It's definitely gold bearish. We then look at Bitcoin holding on to that 1.27 level. Yes, we've got long upper shadows, but also two long lower shadows. So definitely resistance coming in, but I don't think it's going to reverse yet. We should see some of those targets. Now, 2-3 days ago, I've discussed these targets in detail, how I got this on the weekly and the monthly charts, 97, 105, and 110. It could even overshoot up to $115,000, $120,000. Bitcoin, due to the volatility, can overshoot these levels a lot. That's what makes it very difficult trading it. But for me, buying and holding and just lightening up a little bit at these levels, that's definitely the areas to watch and much easier to do. So definitely Bitcoin still going. Yes, we will see a sell-off at some time or other. It might then come back to about $73,000, $74,000 on a stage, because it's retesting the all-time highs, and it might not retest. So I don't try to time these things. They're virtually impossible to time. Yes, there are indicators and stuff like that you can use to time them a little bit, but normal straight analysis, I find the buy and hold principle much more profitable than trying to time the markets. And so Bitcoin definitely still going up, still bullish, holding on tight to my positions. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Look at the currencies, Euro US, Euro bottom of the pile, dollars all the sparkle. So I want to be short here. So a retracement back to the structure here at 50%, just between 50 and 60%. That's the area. Once it tests that level, the RS stays bearish like that. I get a strong counter reversal. I'm definitely going to look for some shorts there. New Zealand US, the same setup. New Zealand, you can see here a little bit stronger. Well, it's neutral, but stronger than the euro. But New Zealand US, I'm after the dollar longs. And this is one of the ways. So a retracement back up there, structure at 61% level, counter reversal. Well, that'll give me, if I short that, will give me that long on the dollar that I want. So that's looking good. US Swiss rallying up the page on the dollar strength. So a retracement back to 50% level at structure here. You can see here, dollar, all the sparkles, Swiss franc, well, basically fighting with the euro for the last spot to be the worst currency at this stage. So definitely want to be long here, but not from those highs. So I'm going to wait for retracement. If it happens, I get a nice confirmation here on a counter reversal, I'll then take some long positions there. Aussie US, same as the New Zealand. As always, nice swing down the page, retracement back to 61% level, structure coming in there and there. If we can test there and I get a nice counter reversal on the short side of things, I'll then look for some shorts. If you can see here, Aussie, I'm in the green zone, yes, but I'm doing it against the dollar. So you can see how the Aussie flips between the yen there. So it is not that strong. So I would love to be short here, but not because of the Aussie. I want to be short here because I want to be long on the dollar. Then the CAD yen, retracement back to structure. You can see the top here on the Bill Williams there. Another one coming in there, right at 61% level. CAD, second strongest. Yen, as they flip up and down, I get a little bit worried about this one, but I'm going to keep it on my watch list. By the time it retraces, this would have settled down and I can see clearly which one is the strongest, and then I'll consider some longs. Then on the Euro CAD, Euro weakest of them all, bottom of the pile. CAD second strongest, so I want to be short here. So I would like to see a retracement back to structure there. Once it hits that level, nice counter reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.